my office where these leftover credits, I mean, some people kind of just let them go.
You got to use them all.
Right. It's either, the rate buy downs or what I did the other day. It was like $1,000 short. Seller didn't want to pay for home warranty. Standard home warranty is like $600. I said, might as well use the credits, get the $1,000 one,
Right.
a lot more coverage. You could even extend them. You could prepay for 2 years, whatever you want to do. So use the funds.
Because a lot of people don't realize that if the buyer doesn't use all the closing cost credits from the seller, that money goes back to the seller. It doesn't go back to them in their pocket. And you have to be your down payment, you have to bring into the transaction. The seller can't help with that, with that money that they're giving you for closing costs. That's only for closing costs.
Right. And then, I mean, you can always, do the whole just adjust the price, but that's not going to do much for you. I think it's better to either, do the rate buy down.
Yeah. I've run those numbers before. It's like I changed your payment $1.
Right.
Where if say you have $2,500 and you apply it towards a buy down a rate, that could save you maybe $20 to $30. It just depends on where it is. So talk to your loan officer, mortgage advisor, mortgage strategist, whatever they call themselves these days, and go through what the scenarios. Do we have any money left over? How can we utilize it? And you're right. A lot of times people don't even look to see if there's any money left over, and it just goes back to the seller. We go through the process and make sure that all of it's used up.
Yeah, no. And that's how it should be done. Right. And it's always, and again, it's cross-referencing, going to escrow, going to, the lender, going to your agent, making sure, before you sign, when you have that estimated, the final estimate, right?
You mean the CD?
Well, yeah.
Disclosure.
Yeah. Within there, make sure everything is, lined up properly.
Right. Because you're going to get the closing. If you